Hey guys, good morning. And this is why I always say to never trust banks on what they have to say. They always have some sort of agenda. If anything, you guys should do the complete opposite of what banks tell you to do. Like, it's absolutely insane. Like this here on JP Morgan, you can see that this is exactly how many shares they bought. They bought 5 million shares of RKT, $107 million worth of RKT. Jesus Christ, like how dude, like how are people, you know what I mean? This is why I don't listen to banks. They have an agenda. They're here to take our money, and they're not going to give us advice. They're going to give us, if anything, if they're going to tell you to buy Neo, or to buy RKT or to buy another company, they're going to tell you after it's already moonshot, or after they've already, bought in their position, so that when all the retail traders start buying in, then they can cash out at the top. Like, come on, man. It's been so obvious, and nobody. It's crazy. But yeah, this is JP Morgan's Chase purchase of RKT. You guys can see here, November 12th, 5 million shares, $107 million.